Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential equation. Here 3 power x times 3 power x, this is equals to 45. Here we need to calculate the value of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. This question is very easy. Here 3 power x times 3 power x and this is equals to 45. In left hand side, we will apply base and exponent rule. A power m times a power n. This is equals to a power m plus n. If we apply this rule in left hand side, then you can say 3 power x plus x and this is equals to 45. Now, in left hand side, 3 power x plus x is 2x and this is equals to 45. Now if we take log both side and we will apply log property here, and we know that log m power n, this is equals to n times log m. If we apply this rule in left hand side, then this 2x is going up here. Then in left hand side, twice of x log 3, this is equals to log 45. Now first we will write this expression in next page. Twice of x log 3, this is equals to log 45. In left hand side, 2x log 3, this is equals to log 45 is 3 times 50. Now in left hand side, 2x log 3, this is equals to, in right hand side we will apply this rule, log m times n, this is equals to log m plus log n. If we apply this rule in right hand side, then you can say here log 3 plus log 15. Now divide both sides log 3 and right hand side here divided by log 3. Then this log 3 and this log 3 is cancel out. In left hand side 2x and this is equals to, here we will apply this rule, a plus b over c, this is equals to a over c plus b over c. Then this right hand side is log 3 over log 3 plus log 15 over log 3. Then this log 3 and this log 3 is cancel out. Then 2x is equals to 1 plus log, this 15 is same as 5 into 3 and divide by log 3. Then in left hand side 2x, this is equals to 1 plus log 5 into 3. Here we will apply again this rule, then you can say log 5 plus log 3. Log 5 plus log 3 and divide by log 3. In left hand side 2x, this is equals to 1 plus, and this expression is same as log 5 divided by log 3 plus log 3 divided by log 3. Then this log 3 and this log 3 is cancel out. Here 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Then in left hand side 2x is equals to 2 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Now we will apply this rule, log m over log n, this is equals to log m with base n. If we apply this rule here, and left hand side is 2x, this is equals to 2 plus, and here we will apply this rule, then we can written as this expression is log 5 with base 3. In left hand side 2x, this is equals to 2 plus log 5 with base 3, log 5 with base 3. This 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then value of x is equals to 2 plus log 5 with base 3 divided by 2. Here value of x is equals to 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 with base 3, and x is equals to 2 over 2 is 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 with base 3. Check this value of x is correct or not. Look carefully, the given exponential equation is 3 power x times 3 power x, this is equals to 45. 3 power x times 3 power x, and this is equals to 45. Taking left hand side is 3 power x times 3 power x. Then 3 power, and this x is replaced by 1 plus half log 5 with base 3. 1 plus half times log 5 with base 3 times 3 power 1 plus half times log 5 with base 3. Now here we will apply this rule. A power m times a power n, this is equals to a power m plus n. If we apply this rule in left hand side here, then you can say 3 power 1 plus 1 half log 5 with base 3 plus 1 plus 1 half times log 5 with base 3. Then 3 power 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 half log 5 with base 3 plus 1 half log 5 with base 3. Then here 3 power 2 plus, look carefully these two terms, here if we take common 1 half, then here 1 half, and inside the bracket left log 5 with base 3 plus log 5 with base 3. Log 5 with base 3 plus log 5 with base 3. Then 3 power 2 plus 1 half log 5 with base 3 plus log 5 with base 3 is twice of log 5 with base 3. Now 3 power 2 plus 1 half is multiplied by this 2, then you will get 1. So here log 5 with base 3. Now we will apply this rule. A power m plus n, this is equals to a power m into a power n. If we apply this rule, then you can say here 3 power 2 times 3 power log 5 with base 3. 3 power 2 is 9 times 3 power log 5 with base 3. And we know that a power log b with base a, this is equals to b. If we apply this rule, then value of this expression is 5. So here 9 times 5, and 9 times 5 is 45. And look carefully here, right hand side of given exponential equation is 45. It means if you substitute x is equals to 1 plus half log 5 with base 3 in given exponential equation, then left hand side and right hand side both are equal. It means this value of x is correct. So this is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.